I'm not cocky, but I'm right.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Am I?
Good job. It's good to see you two work so well together. I hope.
Mama!
Mrs. Daniels!
Mama! Mama!
Carla! Call the paramedics! Mrs. Daniels!
Mama!
Is she okay?
Yeah, she forgot to take her blood pressure medication, so she fainted. They just want to keep her overnight to monitor her.
I'm so glad your mom's okay.
Yeah, she'll be all right.
I was so worried.
I know.
Hey, Jordan. The doc wants to review mom's medications with us.
Right. Come back, guys.
Thank goodness she's okay.
I know what you're trying to do.
I'm sorry, what do you mean?
I know you want him back.
Lacey, I am just doing my job.
I see the way you look at him, but it's not gonna work.
There's nothing going on between Jordan and I.
If that's true, I guess you won't be seeing him anymore, right?
What's that supposed to mean?
Well, this was the last event in your plan, so now your work here is done. Stay away from my man.
Craig!
Hey, man.